Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today, we are making extra spicy chicken tacos packed with bold flavor, juicy chicken, fresh toppings, and a serious kick of heat. This recipe is perfect for anyone who enjoys spicy food and wants a taco that brings more than just ordinary flavor. The best part is that you can easily adjust the heat depending on how spicy you want your tacos to be. To prepare the chicken, start with boneless, skinless chicken thighs or chicken breast. Chicken thighs are especially good because they stay juicy while cooking, but chicken breast works well too. Cut the chicken into small bite-sized pieces so they cook quickly and absorb plenty of seasoning. Place the chicken in a bowl and season it with chili powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, black pepper, salt, and a little dried oregano. For extra heat, add cayenne pepper and crushed red pepper flakes. If you really want to turn up the spice, you can also add a small amount of finely chopped fresh chili peppers. Mix everything together until the chicken is evenly coated with the spices. Now add a little lime juice and a small amount of cooking oil. The lime juice gives the chicken a fresh, slightly tangy flavor that balances the heat, while the oil helps the seasoning stick to the meat and creates better browning during cooking. Let the chicken rest for about 15 to 30 minutes so the flavors can develop. While the chicken is marinating, prepare the taco toppings. A great spicy taco needs a balance of textures and flavors, so prepare some finely shredded cabbage or lettuce, diced tomatoes, chopped onions, fresh cilantro, sliced jalapenos and lime wedges. You can also prepare a simple spicy sauce by combining mayonnaise, lime juice, garlic, and your favorite hot sauce. For an even hotter sauce, add a little cayenne pepper or finely chopped chili. If you prefer a creamy topping, mix sour cream with hot sauce and lime juice. The creamy texture helps balance the intense heat from the chicken. Once the toppings are ready, it is time to cook the chicken. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a small amount of oil. When the pan is hot, add the seasoned chicken in a single layer. Avoid overcrowding the pan because you want the chicken to brown rather than steam. Let the chicken cook for several minutes before stirring it. As the pieces begin to develop a golden, slightly charred surface, turn them over and continue cooking until they are completely cooked through. The spices will become fragrant as they hit the hot pan, creating that delicious smoky and spicy aroma that makes everyone hungry. For food safety, make sure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the heat and squeeze fresh lime juice over the top. The bright acidity from the lime helps cut through the richness and makes the spicy flavors taste even better. Now prepare the tortillas. Corn tortillas are a classic choice for tacos, but flour tortillas can also work. Heat each tortilla briefly in a dry skillet until it becomes warm, soft, and slightly toasted around the edges. Keeping the tortillas warm makes them easier to fold and gives the tacos a better texture. Now comes the fun part, assembling the extra spicy chicken tacos. Start by placing a generous portion of the hot chicken in the center of each tortilla. Add some shredded cabbage or lettuce for crunch. Then add diced tomatoes and onions for freshness. Sprinkle over some chopped cilantro and add a few slices of jalapeno. If you want even more heat, add fresh chili peppers or a few drops of your favorite hot sauce. Drizzle the creamy spicy sauce over everything and finish with another squeeze of lime. You can also add shredded cheese, avocado, or a spoonful of salsa if you want to create your own version. The combination of spicy chicken, crunchy vegetables, creamy sauce, and tangy lime creates a taco that is flavorful from the first bite to the last. What makes these tacos extra spicy is not simply adding as much chili as possible. The goal is to build layers of heat while keeping the food enjoyable. Chili powder provides a warm background spice, cayenne brings stronger heat, fresh jalapenos add a crisp and fresh kick, and hot sauce gives the tacos an additional layer of flavor. You can increase or decrease each ingredient depending on your personal spice tolerance. If you are making these tacos for a group, it is a good idea to keep the hottest ingredients on the side so everyone can customize their own tacos. For people who enjoy a milder version, they can simply use less cayenne, fewer fresh chilies, and a little more creamy sauce. For serious spice lovers, extra hot sauce, chopped chilies, and spicy salsa can take the tacos to another level. Another great way to make these tacos more flavorful is to add a smoky element. A little smoked paprika can give the chicken a deeper barbecue-like flavor, while grilling the chicken instead of cooking it in a skillet can create lightly charred edges. If you have an outdoor grill, cook the marinated chicken over medium-high heat until it develops beautiful grill marks and is fully cooked. Then chop the chicken into smaller pieces before assembling the tacos. You can also turn this recipe into a taco bowl by serving the spicy chicken over rice instead of tortillas. Add lettuce, tomatoes, corn, black beans, avocado, cheese, and your spicy sauce for a filling meal. Another option is to use the chicken as a filling for quesadillas, burritos, or loaded nachos. The same spicy chicken mixture can be used in many different meals, making it a useful recipe to prepare in a larger batch. If you have leftover chicken, store it properly in the refrigerator and use it for another meal. When serving extra spicy food, remember that the goal is flavor as well as heat. Drinking water may not provide much relief from very spicy foods because the compound responsible for chili heat does not dissolve well in water. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, or sour cream can help cool the sensation more effectively for many people. That is another reason why a creamy taco sauce works so well with this recipe. The cool and creamy topping creates a contrast with the hot chicken and spicy peppers. You can also serve the tacos with a refreshing side such as cucumber salad, avocado, corn, or a simple tomato salsa. These fresh ingredients help balance the intensity of the meal. Extra spicy chicken tacos are also great for taco night because everyone can build their own combination. Set out the warm tortillas, spicy chicken, vegetables, sauces, cheese, avocado, lime wedges, and different levels of chili. This turns an ordinary dinner into an interactive meal where everyone can create their perfect taco. If you are preparing these tacos for children or anyone sensitive to spicy food, keep their portion mild and separate the extra hot ingredients. For adults who love a serious challenge, you can create an extra hot version using a hotter chili sauce, but always increase the heat gradually instead of adding a large amount at once. Remember that different chili peppers and hot sauces can vary significantly in heat, so taste carefully and adjust according to your preference. When the tacos are finally assembled, serve them immediately while the chicken is hot and the tortillas are warm. Take a bite and you get juicy seasoned chicken first, followed by the crunch of fresh vegetables, the tang of lime, the creaminess of the sauce, and then the growing heat from the chilies and hot sauce. That combination is what makes these extra spicy chicken tacos so satisfying. They are smoky, juicy, crunchy, creamy, tangy, and seriously spicy all at the same time. The recipe is simple enough for a regular weeknight dinner but flavorful enough for a weekend taco party. You can keep the basic chicken seasoning the same and experiment with different toppings and sauces to create new combinations every time. Whether you prefer a moderate kick or a fiery taco that makes you reach for a cold drink, the recipe can be adjusted to match your taste. The most important thing is to enjoy the food and control the heat so the spices enhance the meal instead of completely overpowering it. With juicy chicken, warm tortillas, fresh toppings, creamy spicy sauce, and plenty of lime, these extra spicy chicken tacos are a delicious way to bring bold Mexican-inspired flavors to your table. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.